All right. Isn't that a beautiful first sound? All right. I am live on YouTube. I'm sure some people are going to be hopping in here any second now. I'm going to just chill for a few minutes before going live on TikTok. Interact with my homies on YouTube. Much love to you all. I'm not worried at all about a red day like today. Just wake me up when September ends, man. Wake me up when September ends. Good morning, Oscar. Oh, man, I'm tired. I've been working out a bunch. Have a, what's it called? A calorie deficit, trying to lose weight. So good morning, Clarence. I'm feeling good, man. Just 6 more days and September's over, and I cannot wait for October. So good morning, Augustine. Is that supposed to be Augustine? Augustine? Good afternoon, Albert. Oh, yeah, it's afternoon for me. So good. Hello. Yeah, I'll go live on TikTok in a few minutes. Just wanted to chat with the YouTube peeps, my homies on YouTube. Good morning, Henry. Afternoon. Good to see you, Just James. Cool. Sounds good, brother. Yeah. FK September. Seriously, man. But we knew this was coming. It's just, I can't wait. I can't wait for things to pump. And listen, I mean, I hate to say it like this. There's no guarantees. It's just, we're looking so consistent with 2017 and 2013. So I'm very confident that October is going to be a good month. November is going to be good. December is going to be good. So any idea? Hello, Ryan. Let's see. Any idea how to get money into Kucoin? It won't let me no matter what I try. I don't use Kucoin. I really know I should use Kucoin, but I don't. Kucoin has access to cryptos that I really want, but I'll load up in 2022. So yeah, sorry, I don't know. I mean, maybe try transferring. Could you try transferring from another platform to Kucoin? Maybe download crypto.com. You get $30 of free trades and purchases. So hello, Umar. Sorry, I missed your live. Love watching your content. Gav, England, Newcastle. Excellent. I'd love to visit England one day. I would, if I visited England, I would just I would schedule it so that I could visit. I would go to like Sunday League football games. I'd go like Premier League. I would do like every division. I would watch every division of football games, and that's all I would do. That would be a dream come true. Yes, Smooth September. Smooth September, fitting name. I did warn you, yeah. USDT, what about it? Hello, Pilot Colvin for Kucoin. USDT for Kucoin. You could transfer there, or I don't know. Just invested today, good call. I don't think you'll, listen, 2 weeks from now, you're not going to regret it. Tomorrow, you might regret it. Monday, you might regret it. But I think we're going to close this month between, give or take, at $45,000, give or take about $2,000. So that's higher than where we are now. I just wanted to say I really appreciate your lives and your wealth of awesome info. Thank you so much, man. I'm glad you're here. Newcastle United. Yeah, I'll definitely check out a Newcastle United game. I remember watching this video, Gavin. I'm sure you know exactly what I'm talking about, where 2 Newcastle players got in a fight with each other and they both got red cards. I thought that was hilarious. It's like, that's my people. Those are my kind of people that I want to be around. I am a Manchester City fan. I'm sorry. But Newcastle, if I visited a game there and, they became my second team, that would be cool. Do you think it's realistic that Bitcoin could go to $200,000 a cycle, or was your TikTok just very optimistic prediction? I believe that Bitcoin will go to $200,000 a cycle, or about $200,000. I think $100,000 is very, very, very likely, and I think that people are going to get so excited about the market as a whole that it's going to go higher than that. So maybe 180, $200,000, about $200,000. Jerry, hello. Dyer, all right. I knew you knew exactly what I was talking about, Gavin. Transfer USDT into your KuCoin account. It's the easiest way by far. Okay, there we go. Hello, Angel. Ready for XLM to hit $2. Yeah, I'm with you on that. XLM, yeah. I'm very all right, if I were to put a percentage on this, that we're going to have a similar type run as we did in 2017 and 2013, just the way that things are playing out right now, it's exactly what happened in 2017, like for the month of September. Ethereum, if watch Ethereum's chart, because it did the exact same thing. It rose, it consolidated, it got close to its all-time high, and then it dumped almost 50%, and then it shot up like crazy. So anyway, bought Litecoin on the morning dip today at 145. Yeah, I think that's a great entry. Yep, but not long term. I mean, what do you mean by long term? Because, I'm not holding Litecoin a year from now. There's no way I will own any Litecoin a year from now. But if you mean a few months, then yes, I think that's a great price to get in. And guys, I do want to tell you something. Litecoin, when I talk about Litecoin, when I say $1,500, it's like, I think chances in my mind, I think it's a better than 50-50 chance that it's going to hit $1,500. But there is a chance in my mind that Litecoin could hit like $8,000. That is within the realm of possibility. And so I know that I give better prediction, or not better, but like I'll say amp to $1, and you guys will do the math, and you think, well, amp's going to outperform Litecoin. Not necessarily. I think amp is 50-50 or so that'll hit $1, but the chances of amp hitting like $5 or $10 is zero in my mind. So I know, or $8,000, that's insane, yada, yada. I know. But I'm looking at this Litecoin chart and I'm comparing it with what happened with Doge last, 9 months ago, and how it did the same thing. Doge just shot up in the Doge to Bitcoin chart. And Litecoin and Doge are both script technology cryptos, and Litecoin is in a similar position to where Doge was a year ago at this time, to where I really think that Litecoin is going to do something similar. Maybe not as crazy as what Doge did, but something similar. Like, yeah, Elon Musk helped, but Doge was going to do that anyway. Not all of that, but it was going to do some of that anyway. So definitely said September would be flat. Good call. Yes. End of this bull run. Yes. I'll be happy just to make a few grand off of it. You should. Yeah. Tax question. Uh-oh. If I buy and sell crypto using Robinhood, but don't cash out profits, just reinvest, do I pay capital gain tax on each transaction? I think you do, Robbie. Unfortunately, I think you do. And it's a huge bummer. I wish that it was like buying and selling a rental property. If you bought or if you sold a rental property and had profits off of that, if you reinvested that money within something like 90 days, you don't have to pay taxes. But with crypto, I'm pretty sure, but excuse me, talk to a tax professional about that. You think we're going to dip more over the weekend? We could. We absolutely could. Yeah. What do you think about ETH Grayscale Trust? I'd rather own actual Ethereum, but it'll be fine. I don't know how much of a discount or premium there is for the ETH Grayscale Trust. If you have access to that, if you could trade options with that, I think that would be great. So I've invested 2,000 pounds in a quant Litecoin. I have 2,000 left in savings. Not sure whether to put half in Ethereum. Love your banter, by the way. Thanks for giving me something to watch at work. Nice. 2,000. Yeah, I mean, I would put half in Ethereum. Ethereum, yeah. And I'm looking at the charts here. I think Polkadot's about to do something pretty significant. Maybe throw some at Polkadot. And I don't know. I mean, there's lots of other options I would recommend. So, all right, 2.5% annual fee to hold the trust. Oh, that's a little rough, man. Am I in the UK or US? I'm in the US. Yeah. All right, it's time. I'm going to go live on TikTok. So let me practice now. Doge to $1, VeChain to $1, Cardano to $8. Or maybe I'll just tell people to watch my video from yesterday. The one where I'm eating ice cream all like sensually. That's a joke. All right, here we go. Ay, ay, ay. All right. Bro, no heartbeat. What's up? Kirill. Been live on YouTube for about 10 minutes, and so I know that this is going to get hot. Hop on over to YouTube. Is the dip because of correction or because of that Chinese news that Pablo's talking about? I didn't know that Pablo was talking about anything. There's China FUD, no heartbeat. So there, I think, I mean, it's a combination of things. Pablo, or not Pablo, I don't care about Pablo. China, quote unquote, banned cryptocurrency for the 178th time. And what else? But the charts were due. You know, the charts were overbought. We were due for a correction, and so maybe that accelerated it. But you know, fool me once, shame on me, on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Fool me 3 times, I'm a Republican. Fool me 178 times, I believe everything that MSNBC says without questioning. So, what about Dogecoin? Yeah, here we go. I still think Doge is going to $1. So, I saw VXV is going to do buybacks. Wow, okay. I don't know. That would be awesome. I own some VXV. So, and it's done well. Are you in on DAG? Really not a fan of Kucoin? Hey, Shannon. No, I'm not in on DAG. Yeah. Litecoin hot vet prediction. For Litecoin and vet, watch the video I made yesterday. The one with the sticker high. Hollow chain is 10 to 20x from here. Where do you see Bitcoin by the end of this year? Oh, here we go. I made a video yesterday, sticker high. I'm not going to, all right, $200,000, not end of this year, early next, or maybe end of year, maybe early next year. Pablo's full of himself. Yeah, Doge to $1, really? I really think so. I think if Bitcoin goes over $100,000, we're going to see Doge to $1. Where do you see AVAX? I don't know. Higher. DAG will be big. I think so. Is it good to buy Dogecoin now? Yes, I'd rather buy something else, but am I buying Litecoin yet? Listen, I had $11,000 on the sidelines. I know not a ton, but I'm 80% in right now with that $11,000. So I'll put the rest in at some point, but not right now. You know, if Bitcoin goes under 30,000 or under 40,000 again, I'm in. Doge to $1, AMP to $1. Please don't spam. I will block you so hard if you keep spamming, J Prince. Gala NFT. I know nothing about Gala NFT. I'm sorry about that. Is it worth selling all the vet I have? 73,000 coins purchased at 6 pence. No, Jay. I mean, I think you're about to miss, if you were to sell now and do what with it? I mean, if you want to put it in other cryptos, awesome. If you want to, oh my goodness. Oh, shoot. If you want to cash out, I would not recommend doing that. So is the Doge worth keeping for life just in case? Maybe. Hex, I just made a video about Hex. Check it out. Happy Friday, crypto moon bags. Bitcoin to 38K, then bounce back to all-time high. Yeah, maybe 38K. We'll see. You know, some of those people some people who I really respect have been calling for 38K Bitcoin. Why do you think until next year we can't see a shooting up in November? I'm not sure what you're asking. I think we can definitely see a shoot. I think we'll see Bitcoin flirt with its all-time high in October, and then definitely, I mean, I'm very confident about a new all-time high in November. Another dip, it's possible. You know, wake me up when September ends. When will Bitcoin go back to 50K? I think October, like next month. So, should I get rid of Solana for XRP? Got 150 thinking long-term only $400 investment. Solana for XRP. Here's the thing I'm a little nervous about with that is the further we go into this, the more and more it's looking like the SEC suit isn't going to end. Now, BitBoy Crypto says that the SEC suit is ending this month, and thank you, 3Honey. BitBoy Crypto says the SEC suit's ending this month. I don't know where he's getting that information. I find that hard to believe. And so if the SEC suit is actually ending this month, I would put everything into XRP right now, but I don't think so. You really think it's going to shoot so fast in October? If so, why? Just looking at past performance, 2013, bullish hammer trend reversal in July. Bounced off the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Every 2013 and 2017, and now 2021, those same things happened. The golden ratio, the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level. Bounced off of that, bullish reversal. August was a good month. September was flat. 2013, 2021, all three of those things happened. Sorry, I'm gonna mute Jay Prince. Sorry, man. You're spamming way too much. All right. So then in 2013, or sorry, in 2013 and 2017, Bitcoin bounced, or Bitcoin had a great month, and then in October and November. So interest rates will rise in October. No way the Fed has already announced this. Well, we'll see. Thank you again, 3Honey. How do you invest 5,000 right now? Mostly in Ethereum. Spread the rest out. I'd definitely get a bag of Litecoin. Definitely some Bitcoin, but Solana, Chainlink, HBAR, XRP, Cardano, XLM. So ETH to 2,400 today. Oh man. I mean, I'd love to get it over with if we're going to go that low, but I don't know about today. Cash them out on dollar mark VeChain. Oh man. Sorry. Let's see. What's your price prediction for Terra Luna? Maybe 100, maybe a little higher than that. I like Litecoin. Oh, here we go again. Yep, I'm gonna have to defend myself with Litecoin. No, I'm not gonna defend myself with Litecoin. I've talked plenty. Watch the video that I just made. Litecoin. Listen, guys, and I'm telling you, Litecoin could be this year's Dogecoin. Okay, like they're both script technology cryptocurrencies. The charts for Litecoin look exactly like the chart for Dogecoin a year ago at this time. Litecoin could do that in comparison to Bitcoin. And I'm not talking about the Litecoin chart to the US dollar. I'm talking about the Litecoin to Bitcoin chart. Compare Doge and Litecoin to Bitcoin. And so I don't like Litecoin. I'm not a fan of Litecoin, okay? But I'm in it for the Benjamins, Am I expecting a quick wick to 38K? Maybe. I'm not sure. Good price to buy Litecoin now. Yeah, I mean now. But, you see Bitcoin get under $40,000. I would say, no, Robinhood's not good. I would say buy some Litecoin. When do you think DOT will pump? I want to see, when we're confirmed back on for things. I know some alts have pumped very nicely after Bitcoin got over certain EMAs and SMAs and stuff. If Bitcoin gets to an all-time high, DOT is going to just explode. So buy now or wait. That's a really frustrating question. Everything's on sale. So are you gonna buy? Are you not gonna buy right now? Like you should be buying some right now. So should I buy now or wait for a dip? That's that question is going to kill me one day. 50K, how would you break it up? 35% Ethereum, 25% Bitcoin, spread out the rest. Way too much FUD going around for all these mega gains you speak. Just wait. The mainstream media will turn on a dime. Like this is the plan. I mean, this is all a part of the plan. First time seeing a man, going to check out your content. Thank you, King Blake. Really appreciate that. 200 DOT possible. I think so. Bitcoin all-time high by end of the year. I'm saying we're gonna hit that all-time high in October, but then get rejected there. And then November, I think, will be an awesome month. I mean, I think they're both going to be awesome. Yeah, I made a video, Pablo, about the Chinese ban. So will ETH drop lower? If Bitcoin drops lower, yeah, ETH will drop lower. Can I make a statement? Yeah, good. I mean, maybe. I mean, I might not be able to read it because the chat's going so fast. So you think there'll still be an 85% retracement again in the total crypto market cap? I think there will, yes. Litecoin predictions, $1,500. But if Litecoin does what Bitcoin did, if Litecoin does what Dogecoin did, if it does a fraction of what Dogecoin did, I mean, Litecoin will go so much higher than $1,500. It's just if I were to say some of those numbers, you guys would think I'm absolutely insane. Do you think Cardano will drop in the next few days, or should I buy now? Oh, there's that question again. you should buy some now and buy some if it drops. And or if it goes up, you should buy some. So no, I haven't gotten a haircut. Do you think altcoins will pump heavily this year or not? If Bitcoin can take you seriously till hair, what is up with people's obsession with hair? Like I don't care. I do not care about my hair. So I'm 40 years, I'm almost 40 years old. Okay. I don't care about my hair. My hair is fine. You people are just ridiculous. Not all of you, just every like people always talk about my hair for some reason. I have normal hair. La Cabra, what's up, man? Yeah, I have hair. Some people don't. Thank you, Hades. Can ETH hit 10K by December? It can. I think it's gonna go to I think it's gonna be like early 2022. So you've got good hair for being almost 40. Yeah, I'm happy to have hair. You know. Do I use conditioner? All right, no more talking about my hair. I don't use conditioner. I don't really care. So how low do you think they can go? Nigel, I mean, after a blow off top, thank you, Colorado Blue. After a blow off top, they could go, you know, it just depends on the crypto. Like ETH with staking is not going to go down all that much. Solana with staking, Cardano with staking is not going to go down as much as like VeChain or Doge. Doge is going to go down really hard. Like I think Doge will go down like, man, 96% from its peak or something like that. Like if Doge goes to $1, I think it'll go down to 4 cents. So thank you, Trini Scorpio, for loving my hair. You're welcome, Victor Suarez. Guys, I'm live on YouTube right now. I can't keep up with the TikTok chat, but I'm able to respond to every question on YouTube. So hop on over there. Didn't you say Bitcoin bottomed out? I mean, all right. I said Bitcoin, that I thought that maybe Bitcoin bottomed out at $39,600. It hasn't gotten there, but this morning I made a video saying, hey, I might be wrong, you know? I didn't say you could stake Doge. What are you talking about? No, I didn't say anything about staking Doge. I said because you can't stake Doge, that, oh man, two-stroke rules, do that, yes. Ethereum, only Ethereum. But because you can't stake Doge, it's going to crash hard. So, but I'm live on YouTube right now. Can't keep up with all the chat on TikTok, sorry. But hop on over to YouTube. I'm able to answer every question on TikTok. So don't take notice of these people, bro. You're the top guy. Thank you, Jay. Opinions on DAG. I don't know anything about DAG. I'm sorry. I need to do research on it. I'm getting a lot of questions about it. Do you think lower cap coins will crash harder? Yes. Yeah. And it depends on the coin. So I have plenty of VeChain. You think it won't go up? I think VeChain will go up, but I think it's also going to crash really hard. So that's the thing. Good time to enter. I think now's a good time to enter. Will Pi ever become a good Bitcoin? That's a funny question. Hey, what's up, Zane Khan on YouTube? Will it ever become a good cryptocurrency? People are transacting with it in third world countries, so maybe there's some hope with it. Great day to buy. I think today's a good day to buy. I could see it going a little bit lower, but buying 2 Litecoins right now or one more dip. Oh, wait a second. Is wise or no? I think it's wise. Think we're out of the woods yet, or one more dip, maybe one more dip, you know, this move today. So we'll see. You're bullish on ICP? Yeah, I am. I don't like ICP, but I'm bullish on it. What causes a big sell-off? Short-term sellers, whales. Lots of factors, Matthew. Like today it was the China FUD. So, but whales mostly, people transferring crypto onto exchanges. Am I a fan of Telcoin? Yes. Sort of. I mean, listen, let me back that up. I don't own any. I'm a fan of somebody who loves Telcoin, and that's Trader 360. So I don't know if we've bottomed. I thought the $39,600 was the bottom for the week, but there were some people who disagreed with me on that. And so I gave them props in my second most recent video. AMP has staking. Do you think it'll drop a lot too after January? It'll drop a lot. I mean, more than 50%. If things spike like crazy, yeah. Hello, Cyan Williams. I'm so hungry. What should I eat? A burrito. Sorry, one second. Hello, Cyan. Let's see. Samir, what do you think Bitcoin is ending September at? $45,000, give or take 2,000. ICP, I don't like ICP, but I think it's going to do well for the remainder of the run. ETH and XYO price predictions. XYO like 10, between 10 and 20 cents. Oh, it's Electronium. I don't have a prediction for Electronium, sorry. Algo, $7, $8 for Cardano. XRP, $8 to $10. Somebody created a fake account on TikTok and is using your content or name. Guys, all right, let me address fake accounts. I block probably 20 fake accounts a day. There is nothing I can do about it. I automatically filter words that they use and they still get by it because TikTok, for some stupid reason, has a limit on the amount of words that I can filter. And so if you see anyone inviting you, anyone with my picture or username or a similar username to mine, inviting you to chat with them on WhatsApp, stay far away from them and report them if you can. Thoughts on Litecoin? It's holding support pretty well. I'm crazy about Litecoin for the short term. Thank you, Jonathan. And yeah, all of you on YouTube, on TikTok, follow me on TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Really appreciate it, Jonathan. Algo, $7. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm way behind. Please do audio, celebrity musicians getting into it. Spotify, killer, they say. I haven't looked into audio. That's kind of like a bear market research thing. And then, you know, I'll look into it more. I'm going to do so much research during the bear market. So should I buy this weekend and wait for one more crash sig dip? Man, that question's going to kill me. Just buy some now and buy some later. Should we wait to buy AMP, HBAR, XLM, and VET for this upcoming bear market? I mean, I would buy some for short-term gains. I'd buy some of all of those. Get into DAG before it enters the top 100. Oh, I didn't know it wasn't in the top 100. Okay. Yeah, Electronium, XYO. Don't know enough about Electronium. XYO, I mine on my phone some coin. Mine it. I don't know if it's actually being mined. There will be no new all-time high this year. I disagree. But if you're right, then 2022 there will be. Anyone know how to buy DAG in the UK? I don't. What do you think of 1 inch? I don't know enough about 1 inch, sorry. Chances of the run being over, maybe 10%. I think it's very unlikely that the run is over. Looking at on-chain analytics, people are behaving in such a way that the run is not over. Besides crypto, am I good? Yeah, I'm good. I'm happy. So XYO predictions, again, 10 to 20 cents. DOT prediction, $200. How much DOT should I buy at $30? I don't know. 10%, 5 to 10%. Do you think of your portfolio or of your willingness, whatever you're investing right now? I'm live on YouTube, by the way. For those of you on TikTok, hop on over to YouTube. I cannot keep up with the TikTok chat, but I can on YouTube. So, do you think Tether will stay? Yes. It's sick. It's your pick and username. I called them out and they blocked and reported my account. Okay. Yeah, stay away from scammers. Be very careful with scammers. I block a ton. There's probably some scammer right now that I'm live on YouTube, trying to invite people to chat with them on WhatsApp. And somebody actually fell for that. It's so obvious it's not me. Don't fall for that. Let's talk about Hex. I just made a video about Hex. What do you think about Phantom? I like HBAR better. Phantom has better marketing, so the price might do better than HBAR. El Puno has a cool TikTok of me. I need to check that out. I didn't know that. Can't wait for a huge pump and then a bear market. Man, I can't wait for the bear market. I'm so excited. Bear markets make you wealthy. So how low do you see ETH going? I said 2,700, maybe 25. If it goes lower, or maybe we've bottomed out already. It's really hard to tell right now. Hello, Bagir. Get into answers to that. So is the next bull run coming in 2 years? It's weird. This bear market is going to be interesting whenever it comes because of EIP 3675 with Ethereum. Theta to $50. All right, King Kush, Crypto Kush. So EIP 3675, what's the rest of the market going to do as Ethereum's production gets cut in 10th? That's insane. That's like a halving on steroids. And that's going to happen right in the middle of the bear market. So I don't know, man. I don't know. All right, Tariq, stop it. You don't know. You don't know. You have no idea I mean, if you want to make bold declarative statements like that, it's like I'm saying I think 90%. I think 90% likely that there will be a new all-time high. So I'm not going to say guaranteed. It's just whenever everyone's always wrong. Everyone who comes on my comments and says we are guaranteed to do this or that, whether it's up or down, they're always wrong. Always. Hit the like button, guys. Yes. Zane, guys, by now, Alex has been saying this for ages. Yup, ladder up your position. DCA is the name of the game. There we go. What are your thoughts on the best place to dollar cost average during the bear market? Best place like wallet? I would do something like Celsius, you know? Celsius, somewhere where you can get staking returns on your stable coins. Voyager for sure. Voyager or Celsius. Beginning of the bear market, I don't think so. So XRP to 1K guaranteed. There we go again. There's another bold declarative statement. So now you can know that XRP is not going to 1K. But of course, I mean, what's the time frame? You know, I still don't think XRP is going to 1K. Thoughts on Lattice? Don't know enough. Sorry. DAG is on Kucoin. Excellent. Cody, price prediction, please. I have no idea. Get into. All right, I saw that. Kucoin, you get DAG. Lots of people talking about DAG. Why even entertain the trolls? That's a good comment. Good point. It's just they keep posting stuff over and over again. CVO Crypto. CVO Crypto is in the house. This guy right here, CVO Crypto, you got to follow him. He is the MVP of September, okay? I was the MVP of July, no doubt, but he is the MVP of September. You've got to follow him. Cheers, Nick. I'm probably way behind on the YouTube chat. Sorry about that. Wow, I'm so far behind. What are your thoughts on Flare Network Spark token? Don't know enough. If Bitcoin were to reach 200K, what price do you think it will drop to after the bull run ends? The 200-week simple moving average, whatever that gets to. Like if it gets to $50,000, then yes. Yeah, that's right, JW Rhett, CVO.crypto. If it gets to $200,000, I could see the bear market bottom being, you know, I could see the 200-week moving average moving up to $50,000 or so, and that's where it's going to bounce off of. Yeah, LTX, I don't know. Do I use a hard wallet? I have not used, no, I don't use cold storage. Buy $90 of HBAR or wait for a dip. Buy $90 of HBAR. It's $90, you know, just get in. Shiba Inu is trash or stays it's trash. Get into, all right. Please don't spam on YouTube. XRP thoughts. You know, I say $8 to $10. CVO Crypto says something like $35 to $50. How far down could Bitcoin? Oh, yeah. Oh, in the next week or two. You know, I could see it going to 30s again. But October, again, I truly believe October is going to be a great month. If you're in your 20s, would you invest in retirement funds or just self-custody? Oh, man. So retirement funds, it's a guaranteed, pretty much guaranteed way for you to be a millionaire when you die. But I want some money to play around with, you know? So what's a bear market? It's then when things go down. Bear market timeline. If things peak in December, January, we're not going to 14K in the bear market. That's ridiculous. Bear market timeline. Things go crazy in January like they did, or in December, January like they did in 2017. Then we're going to dip really hard right after that. Would you dress up as Bitcoin for Halloween? That's funny. What do we do in a bear market? My first line, I'm going to make a bear market class because it's a different strategy for each crypto. Bitcoin should be the first thing you buy in the bear market because that's going to be the first one that bottoms out. So what's a coin that hasn't had a run up yet, but you think will? VeChain, XLM. So seen thoughts on EWT? No. Nifty, I'm not sure. Nifty NFT. I'm not super educated on the NFT market and what's hot. So yeah, Bitcoin always touches the 200-week moving average. I heard thoughts. Yeah, I mean, that's what I've been saying. So in a bear market, I don't think we're in a bear market. So I don't think we're in the bear market. VeChain to $1. Have a good weekend, Stroker rules. Any of you asking for price predictions? I made a video yesterday with a lot of my predictions in it. So check that out. Seller, don't know enough. What do you think Litecoin gets to by end of the year? At the very high end, $1,500, but in January. Can Ethereum reach, oh my goodness, please don't spam. 20K this bull run, it can. I don't think so. Do you think Ethereum is going down further? If Bitcoin's going down further, Ethereum is going down further. I would not dump Dogecoin. Hey, Alex, any thoughts on Atom and Cody? Atom to 100, Cody, don't know enough. Link or Dot? Right now, I'd say Dot. Cardano, $8. VXV and Quant is a gem. I agree. Seller, don't know enough. What's your thought on the possible U.S. government defaulting and shutdown would have a big impact on the crypto market? I don't think that's going to happen anytime soon. So, you know, and I'm a bear when it comes to the U.S. economy. I'm a huge bear. But it's like, on what time frame am I a bear? A year? No. 5 years? Maybe. 20 years? I'm a huge bear. So a lot has changed since 2017. Can you truly compare now to then? Listen, 911, I know you're an OG on this live stream. I think you can. And the reason why is because we are lining up exactly the same as we did in 2017. From July till now, we've been exactly the same. And that's the big reason why. Like I would be more hesitant if we weren't lining up so much. Shiba Inu's been fluctuating like crazy. What do you think it will do in the future? I think I think it'll go to zero, something like that. You're welcome, Daryl. Yeah, Shiba Inu's trash. LTX is on DAG. Lots of DAG talk. Okay, Shannon, I bought more ETH this morning, hoping this pays off. I think you bought it at a good price. Likely for Solana to go back up to 200 plus. I think so. What should I invest in before October? Ethereum and Litecoin. How bullish are you on VXV? Short, medium, and long term. I'm very bullish. So, yeah. 1 second. Your question will be answered eventually. The person that I just muted, but do not spam. Adam, Cody answered that. Does a bear market make you rich because it's a great place to buy? Yes, Bagir, because it's a great place to buy. Jigstack. Never heard of Jigstack. We're not in a bear and certainly not in a bull market like we're in limbo right now. I mean, September is a limbo month. I've been saying that since June, that September was going to be a limbo month. My question may sound dumb, but I'm not be able to move my crypto into stablecoin and Voyager only cash. Do you have any idea if I'm doing wrong? No, Adriana, unfortunately, Voyager is kind of annoying like that. You have to sell it and then convert it to a stablecoin. So, oh my goodness, where am I? Where's the video on price predictions? It's the one with the sticker that says hi. You think now is a good time to get into Litecoin? I do. I don't know if you have a video on TikTok about Litecoin, but what makes you particularly bullish on it? Jonathan, it's one of my pinned videos. So yes, and look there. I have heard of Alchemy. I don't know anything about Alchemy though. So again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I'm answering all the questions on YouTube. I can't keep up with the chat on YouTube. Is there going to be one more dip in September? Maybe. I would say 50-50 yes. So I'm sorry. It could go up. It could go down. I know that's a cliche thing to say. I don't know anything about IOST. What do you see happening the rest of September? I think we're going to close at $45,000 though. That's the thing. I think we're going to close within $2,000 of $45,000. So Bitpanda, I don't know anything. VRA price prediction higher, but I don't know. Nifty, I don't know what that is. So this will be my first bear market. I'm told it's brutal for beginners. Yeah, if you're a bag holder, it will be. Thank you, Jay Rhett. Grabbed 800 ADA this morning at 206. Nailed that bottom. Excellent. Is Doge trash or could it stick around? I think there's a future for Doge. Do you know much about Bitpanda? Oh yeah, I answered that. I don't know. What altcoin would you recommend for short-term gains? That's my favorite question of all time. I'll say Litecoin and Polkadot. For everyone wondering if now is the time to buy, time in the market is more important than timing the market. Yes, sir. Why is HBAR dropping higher than others? Because it pumped like last week. So what's going on about Doge? It's doing what everything else is doing. When will you start investing in the bear market? 1 year in or straight away? Not straight away. 1 year in for Bitcoin. It's different for each cryptocurrency. China blocked crypto, but Chinese can sell the crypto they have, or it's illegal to sell. I have no idea, Nigel. Nifty NFT, still don't know about it. I wanted this to happen. I'm sorry, guys. Just wanted to secure some more positions for the huge run up. Thank you, Roshan. Theta and Link prediction. Theta 50, Link 100. How do you feel about helium mining? I'm excited about one day owning a helium miner. So which one is better, Chainlink or Litecoin? At the end, Chainlink. I'm dumping my Litecoin so hard at the end. So A Doge vending machine. Interesting. Is cake worth holding? Absolutely. Yes. Should I buy $500 of Ethereum right now? Yes. So cake, the staking is insane. So yes, staking cake is worth it. Where do you hold Theta on Bitmart? When things go parabolic, it's usually Bitcoin, then ETH, and the rest of also follow. Will you EV everything at once or in stages? In stages, I think I understand Weston. Usually, so last time around, Litecoin was the first to peak, and it peaked before Bitcoin. And so I'm thinking that Cardano is going to be the first to peak this time around. It's just like Litecoin, it's number 3 in market cap. So Litecoin was number 3 in market cap back then. So we'll see. We will see. SEC suit to end after ETH2 launches. I'm not sure about that, but okay. What's the last coin you bought that you have not held before? VXV. Could you show a bit of TA for Litecoin predictions for a beginner to learn and get good like me? Good like me. I pinned a video on my TikTok. You're going to have to pay attention to watch that. Yeah, Hex is number 3 in market cap, apparently. I made a video about Hex. It's weird. It's a weird currency, man. So, best advice for how to not be a bag holder. Don't be greedy. You see things pump. When you see 1,000 people in my live stream, when you see everyone on Facebook talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, when you see news articles, positive news articles about how Bitcoin is going so high and all this stuff, get very scared. When you see the fear greed index at a score of like 95, be terrified. So bought 15.9 Litecoin. Okay. Dogecoin Nifty, not a good time to get into Litecoin. I buy Litecoin in $90, $80 range. 140 is a stretch. Okay. Curious about your story about why you got into crypto. I studied a lot about the stock market crash in '08, and a lot of the same fundamentals that I learned back then from Austrian economics led me into cryptocurrencies. So I got in 2013 though. What's your play now? You said you already used 2/3 of your fiat. I think it's a little bit more now. So because I had $11,000 on the sideline waiting to invest, I'm like 3/4 of the way in, or 80% of the way in right now. So now if I were to put the rest in, I would wait until Bitcoin was under $40,000. But if it doesn't go under $40,000, I'll be all in by the end of the month. So at the beginning of September, you predicted the month to close as flat. What do you mean as flat? That it would close around where it closed in August, but maybe a little lower. So in early August, I made a video predicting that Bitcoin would close. Thank you for those glasses. Hey, Pilot Colvin, what's up, man? Or wait, no, I've seen you around. Never mind. I'm an Austrian economist. Dare I call myself an economist? But anyway, in early August, I predicted Bitcoin to close at $48,000 in August, and then $45,000 in September. And so in August, it closed at a little over $47,000. I think within $2,000, big, give or take, is where Bitcoin's going to close September. So why'd I listen to you and buy Litecoin? I don't know. Why did you listen to me? You should do your own research. I'm just as confident in Litecoin as I was when you bought it. So have you changed your opinion on 39.6K being the bottom? I don't know. There's other guys who predicted that wasn't the bottom, and I am the research. That's funny. I don't know. I just, it's hard for me to say, because those people, if they're right, I'll be happy for them, and they're just as bullish as I am. So it's just going to be a quick thing. Favorite coin outside the top 100, not named VXV. I really don't know. I don't pay attention much to cryptos outside of the top 100. So VXV and, Nami, maybe Nami. I did a little bit of research on that. So can Bitcoin go further more from here? Will save time for entry? I think Bitcoin in October is going to be doing very well. So I am buying Bitcoin if it goes under $40,000 only because I'm 80% in right now with the money I had sitting on the sideline. Umar, answer my question, please. I don't know what question you're talking about. I didn't think I skipped any. Thank you, Pilot Colvin. Man, where am I? Don't you think crypto is becoming more adopted? A bear market might not be as great anymore. Yeah, I think it's going to level off over time. Top 5 crypto TikTokers: CVO Crypto, maybe Begin Crypto, Crypto Weatherman, Blockchain Boy, and maybe Joshua Jake. I really like him. I'm pretty new to watching his videos. Even though Cake APY is dropping every week, it's still good to hold long term. I'm not holding any Cake. I'm not holding Cake long term. But as long as I think it's a bull run, I'm holding my Cake. So trade all my Solana for Vet Mana. Okay. I mean, I wouldn't trade all of my Solana for all of it. You know, I wouldn't trade all of it, but VeChain to $1. New to this, where should I start? Bitcoin and Ethereum. If Doge have a future, don't you think Shiba will follow? Not necessarily. Doge has crossed this barrier to mass adoption, and it's on the public eye a lot more, to where I don't think it'll die. But Shiba, very few people know about Shiba. So thank you, Irfan. Solana or Litecoin for short term? Litecoin. Is it late November too late to invest in anything? Yeah, I think so. I think late November. Well, maybe not. I mean, I think things will peak in December and January, but I could be wrong. It just depends. Where is everything at that time? So maybe you just got it. You can't be greedy, you know? Don't expect a 5x, expect like maybe a 50% return or maybe a little more than that. So look at the wrong run. You're welcome. All right. That's fine. You can disagree on Shiba. That's fine. My profile pic looks like I have horns. Oh, on my YouTube. Yeah, I can see that. HBAR Solana price prediction 2024 to 2030. 2024, I think Solana is going to be worth what ETH is now. So, or a little bit lower than ETH is now. Still think we can drop below 38K? We can. Yeah. How long for HBAR hold? I have 11,000 coins, purchase at 22 pence. Long hold or sell at bull run? I would hold. Beginner after Bitcoin and ETH, what? Nothing. I'm sorry. You become a novice. You know, grow to a novice, and then, you know, ask me that question later. So I'm excited for bear market. Me too. What about MDEX? I don't know anything about MDEX. Before I buy the ETH, how do you think XRP will do in October compared to ETH? You know, ETH. Here's an interesting thing. ETH over October, November, I think Bitcoin is going to outperform ETH in October, November. In December and in January, I think ETH will outperform Bitcoin big time. So do I think ETH is going lower this month? It certainly can. You said you will check XPRT. I have not yet, but because I said I will, okay, I will. But give me time, because I get requests all the time. I don't know anything about multivac. If you knew what you know and never invested in any crypto, what coin would you invest into today? Ethereum. Let's see. Wow, I'm so far behind. Before I buy ETH, how do you think XR? Yeah, I answered that. What coin should I buy right now? Ethereum. Thanks for answering my other question. Will you stake ETH in the bear market? I'll hold it. I mean, I'm not selling my ETH. ETH might not have a bear market, so I'll hold it on like Celsius or something, you know? At what price should one sell ETH? I mean, 5 figures. I would wait until 5 figures. I don't know much about things inside the AVAX ecosystem, Shannon. Sorry. 1 million USD in crypto or 1 million USD into real estate, and why? Right now, I would say real estate. And the reason why is because like we're months away from it being the end. You know, in my opinion, we are very much less than a year away from it being the end. If this was 2020, I would say crypto. Right now, it's just it's too late to put $1 million, man. Bitcoin 25K in October. Well, fortunately, October is soon, so we'll see that you're wrong very soon. Is XYO a good investment? It's okay. So, all right. I bought the dip. You think we could hold stable coins? Should still hold stable coins or go all in right now? I mean, all in by the end of the month is what I've been saying. Bought into Safe Moon to launch in March in Project Phoenix. What? Thank you, Pilot Colvin. Not sure what you're saying. Lysergic Banger. I think Safe Moon might be dead. When will you give prices for when you give prices for end of cycle? Are they your best case scenario or actual confident predictions? I don't think they're best case scenario. I could see all of my predictions going much higher. So yes, OC Pet Doctor, I see your Litecoin comment. I look like I'm hurting. I mean, all right. It's really stressful trying to keep up with the chat, and trying to answer questions and people getting impatient when I don't answer their questions. So, I don't particularly enjoy this all that much. I mean, I hope that's okay for me to say. I do it because it helps, I like helping people or at least, giving some insights on things. So anyway, and like, I get more followers when I go live. That's a fact. So thank you, Adriana. Let's see, Snoop Dogg. Let's see what Snoop Dogg is up to. Snoop Dogg is now a partner of the Sandbox. Cool. I mean, that's fine. I'm happy to see celebrities getting into crypto for sure. Thank you, MX. Just wanted me to tell you your advice has helped me a lot. Thank you, Jonathan. Where are you from? Where do you live? I live in the Midwest. Ohio. I said it. I live in Ohio. I've been around a lot though. So, Hollow or Chainlink more profitable till January? Probably Hollow. Do you know if Crypto Weatherman is bullish for this year? I honestly couldn't understand his opinion. He's been a bear for several months now. I think overall he's bullish. Thank you, Shafi. And thank you, Don Mario Noriega. Really appreciate that. So Crypto Weatherman is overall a bull. I mean, there's certain things in all right, MX. There's certain things in the overall market that he's not excited about. So how low for Polkadot? You see it under $30. I think you should buy. When will Chainlink finally jump to at least $70? Still a long time. Probably I'll say November. No, December. Let us know when to bail at the end. Oh yeah. How many X return would you expect for getting in today? I mean, man, that's rough, Shannon. I mean, I could see it still being a 5X overall, but here's the problem. All right, we're all not going to die. 2021 definitely dip under 30K by the 11th of October. I'm not going to remember that you said that. So will you please come back and say that you were wrong on October 11th? Please. I would really appreciate that. CHR, I don't know. Are hard wallets worth it? Binance transfer fees are hard, especially for Bitcoin. I answered that already, and I said I don't use a hard wallet. Don't plan on it. PSG token, it's a meme coin. All right, Fremont, Ohio. I don't even know where that is. So when do you think Star Atlas will pump? I have no idea. Sorry. How big is my VXV bag? Not big. It's like $1,200 or something like that. Doge is the Mercedes of crap coins, but Shiba is the Nissan Maxima with no warranty. Okay. $40. ETH, yes. Can you recommend some literature for crypto for beginners really quick? Justin, books get antiquated very quickly. I don't recommend books. I would recommend newsletters. There's lots of people I follow on Twitter. Rect Capital, William Clemente, Willy Woo for sure. And I'd recommend just YouTube and TikTok also. So I think we go up on October 21st, maybe. Yeah, Voyager code. Yep. Oh, my Voyager code takes a bit. Okay, good to know. All right, Fremont's close to Sandusky. All right, that park. What's the park? Oh my goodness, I'm blanking on it. Cedar Point. That place is the best park in the world. And I know some of you are going to be angry that I said that, but Cedar Point's the bomb. Still think XRP has the potential to outgrow everything? Yeah, it certainly can. Do you think I'll be able to take profits from alts this bull run and buy more ETH? Yeah. Or do you think I'll have to buy ETH at a way higher price at that point? I think you could take profits. Odds. I don't know about odds. My left ear isn't enjoying the video very much. Sorry, Mason. How many coins do you think is a portfolio considered over diversified? I don't know. I have more than 30 different cryptocurrencies, Mark, and I really enjoy having 30 cryptocurrencies. So would you say your predictions are conservative? No, I think I don't know. CVO Crypto, I'm going to talk about him again. CVO Crypto, his predictions are much more aggressive than mine. I mean, not for Bitcoin. They're a little higher for Bitcoin. But like for XRP, he thinks XRP is going to $35 to $50. And he has been on point with September, with everything going on this month. He called the peak. He called the dumps. So worst case when ETH will hit 25K. Worst case 2025. Basic difference with farms pools, impermanent loss. You need 2 cryptos, form an LP with farms. I would not recommend it. With pools, it's 1 crypto. If we were all hyped up, you can make videos when you take profit. Yeah, I will. Dude, the real ones love you. Thank you, Ryan. Man, I'm so far behind. I'm sorry, guys. Def okay for you to say that. Internet to talk place. I don't even remember what you're talking about. With ADA, XRP, Matic, XLM, VeChain, Quant, and Link, what X should I be looking at before selling the cycle? It's not about X's. It's about if you see things go higher. Yeah, CVO Crypto has a YouTube channel. You see things go like this, get very conservative. Ohio, all this time, didn't know. Grew up in Newark, just outside of Columbus. All right, I lived in Columbus for a few years. I deserve breaks. How much percentage you think we can go from here? Yeah, whole market could do 5x from here. Thank you, Alicia. Messi gets paid in PSG coin, does he? Okay. You think this is the bottom of the H bar? Or do you predict a lower price? I don't know. I mean, September is a wild card. I just think we'll close a little bit higher this month. That's a week from now. So it's one of those things like September. We could go down until we close flat. So, all right, you're going to be wrong. But all right, we're all not going to die. Everyone remember, we're all not going to die 2021. He will be wrong. So if I was going to trade with leverage, I'm not touching leverage. Sorry. How do you make sure you take profits near the top, or is it luck? You just take profits, man. You just got to do it. So thoughts on Cello? No. How many wallets exchanges are you actively using? Like 10. Rekt Capital? No. REKT. Not WRECKED. REKT. So Cedar Point, Kings Island isn't bad down south. Yeah, Kings Island's fine. Vet Theta, H bar Theta, Link EOS. What do you think? EOS, I don't think is going to do all that great. The rest of them, I think we fine. Yeah. So I'm going to buy $4 million in Bitcoin because you said it will do well in October, November. $4 million. Okay. Yeah. And then hold it forever. Going to be there in 2 weeks with my 9-year-old Cedar Point. All right. Is it worth selling all VeChain on bull run? Yes. Sell all of your VeChain at the end. So do you think Pi is a good project? We'll see. All right. We're all not going to die. I'm with you. I'll see you in 3 weeks, a little under 3 weeks. So Crypto TV is very good. Okay. Best park for roller coasters for sure. Fry, talked to my brother, my Boomer Finance prof, about what he said about index funds having the highest returns on average being wrong. And he kind of echoed what Pablo said. And he thought that crypto is too new and doesn't have decades of data behind it. Well, he's right. It doesn't have decades of data. Hey, Robert, I'm good. Why lie? Elite on the beat. Oh, 4 million. Yeah, that's a person commenting on YouTube. So I'm live on YouTube right now. Thanks, man. Learned a lot from you again. Thank you, Mark. I think he's missing out on massive gains because he doesn't want to adapt to something new. Yeah. I mean, that's boomers. But also, I mean, should boomers, with their old hearts, their, potential heart attacks, should they invest in crypto? I don't know. Do you think Bitcoin will drop down to below 40,000 again? I'm 50-50, Robert, right now. And the thing I've been saying is I think we're going to close the month flat. So that's all. I think we're going to close the month flat from August. So I've been saying $45,000 for close, maybe like $2,000 from there. When should we sell VeChain? At the end, you see a spike. Prediction on ADA, $8. On-chain metrics, Glassnode or Crypto Quant. I favor Glassnode. but crypto quant's very good. So XLM by December, by January, $2 to $3. Seller, don't know enough. Stablecoin you trust more, Tether or USD coin? USD coin for sure. Bitcoin price in January 2022. I think it's going to peak in December. So, I mean, it could go down to $80,000 by January of 2022, but that's probably too soon. Maybe over 100,000. So where do you store VXV? I have it on MetaMask. How will XRP do in October? It'll go up with the rest of the market, in my opinion. Which coins to sell? All. I am everything for me. It's going to be everything but Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Everything else, I'm selling all of it. Do I know anything about AMP? Yeah, I like AMP a lot. So I think it's going to $1 this year. I don't know enough about Celo. Lots of people are asking me about Celo. What's going on with Celo today? Which coin do you think is a good buy under $1? I would encourage not thinking with that mentality. But if I'm going to throw some numbers, some coins out, how about VeChain, XLM? What do you think about Polygon? Don't know anything about Polygon. Will you tell us when you sell your bag? Yes, Jojo. Think Matic will still do well? Yes, I do. John, what's up? I think Matic to $8. So I'm 52 and my 75-year-old parents are into crypto. There we go. Good, Waverly. That's good. I hope they don't check the charts every day. So do you think Litecoin will perform better than Quant in the next few weeks? Weeks? I mean, if you, how about like a month from now, I think Litecoin will have outperformed Quant. So we'll see. Bear markets last for 3 years, right? I mean, in general, so far, yeah. During what year do we usually get the bottom, first, second, or third year of the bear market? For Bitcoin, it's within a year usually. But this bear market's going to be interesting because of Ethereum. EIP 3675. Can I ask why HBAR is a long term? It's not as volatile as other cryptos. It's kind of, it's the hash graph of cryptos. It's a hash graph crypto. I mean, it's like the Bitcoin of the hash graph. That's what I was saying. So, if I bought Bitcoin at 25 cents, I would just be like, I would talk to my past self and I'd just be like, hey, just hold, man, just hold. And so that's how I feel about HBAR. It's not going to like $50,000 or something like that, but let's see. Should I convert my Matic into DOT for this cycle? No. Anchor prediction higher. No prediction, no price. Do you think it's possible that ETH won't have a bear run to the burns? Not just the burns, but the ETH 2.0. So excluding Tether and USD coin, which stablecoin will you use and why? Whichever gives me the best returns for staking. You're welcome, Christy. Am I selling all my 100% of my XRP? Well, that's a wild card XRP. And the reason why, like if the SEC suit doesn't end before this run is over, I'm not selling my XRP. No, I'll hold on to it. So thoughts on Luna? I'm not in, I don't own any Luna. I mean, it's done very well over the last year. I think it's going to go to $100, but I don't know. Thank you, Daryl. You're welcome, Lou Julian. How do you see Theta performing in the bull market? $50 or so. I think ETH is going to have its own market with new update. Is that what you're thinking as well? Yes, Mark. Yep. And maybe having its own cycles. Absolutely. Hold ETH, bought at 3K. I think you should hold. I'm holding mine for 10 years. So when you get a chance, take a look at Celo. Market cap is 13.5 million. It's 13.5 million? That doesn't sound right. DAG said to be competitor to HBAR. Joshua Jake loves DAG. Okay. I like Joshua Jake. So can XYO hit 20 cents by the end of the bull run? Yeah. Is this actually live, guys? Yes. Yes, it's live. Do you have a Luna prediction like 100? It's just the thing is I can't keep up with the TikTok chat. I am responding to questions on YouTube right now. Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am able to answer every question there. So you'll sell ETH after 10 years. I might not sell it after 10 years, Andrea. I might not. So you're welcome, Murtaza. Is Link ever going to move with this run? It feels like a stable. It pretty much does. I do think it's going to move though. How transfer V's to move VXV to MetaMask? Probably not that much. It depends on where you're transferring from. BTC is crying. Oh no, BTC is crying. Wreck-It Cam, I answered your question already. Do you think Litecoin will perform better than Quant in the next few weeks? I said, I think Litecoin will have outperformed Quant by this time next month. Alex, October predictions. I think October is going to be a very good month. Should I invest in Solana? I'd rather at this point. Well, yeah, yes, I would. Ethereum Classic prediction. It'll go higher with Ethereum as Ethereum goes higher, and I'm very bullish on Ethereum, but I don't have a price prediction. How much H-bar am I selling at the top? I'm not selling any of my H-bar. Polygon equals Matic, yes. What's your number one holding? Do you own more ETH than Bitcoin? Yes, I do. Yeah. All right, Rekicam. Do you know about Avalanche? Not enough. Thoughts on Harmony One? Good, underrated. I don't own any. I'm not going to be crying about not owning any. Sold all my ETH around 4K. Got any buy prices in mind? Man, good call selling it at 4K. I mean, I sold $11,000 worth at 3,900, and I'm 80% back in. And so, I mean, I think you should get some in right now. ADA end of the year, January. No, maybe $8. It depends. It might be January or February, something like that. Do you think this is the dip, or are we going lower? We'll see. I think we could go lower. I haven't looked at REC. No. Thoughts on DAG and LTX? I don't know enough about either of those. Which stablecoin would you use during the bear market to stake? Yeah, whichever makes me the most return. So I'm hoping for Bitcoin to be flat by month end. If hoping for Bitcoin to be flat by month end, you must be getting ready to pull the trigger. I'm 90%. I mean, I've already been majorly into crypto. Rapids naked friend. Okay, you're going to call me a moon boy? You're going to get blocked. Don't call me a moon boy. I'm looking at numbers. I will be the biggest bear on TikTok and on YouTube. I will be the biggest bear on TikTok and on YouTube one day. So you're going to hate me, some of you. Some of you will still love me, though. When Bitcoin top up, people will put profits in alts. Yeah, and then we'll have alt season. What's a moon boy? I think you're ugly. What? A moon boy, it's just somebody who has their heads in the clouds, who thinks that Bitcoin's like just going to go up forever and doesn't look at numbers, is irrational. That's what a moon boy is. It's someone who's irrational. What about Polkadot? $200 or so. When Bitcoin and altcoin peaks in parabolic run, how long does it stay up before it crash? Second, minutes, hours, days. What was it like in 2017? Jojo, Bitcoin, when Bitcoin peaked at a little under $20,000, it was within hours. It was within hours. Yeah, find the deer. I'm live on YouTube. You know, so I mean, but you know, it peaked at under $20,000 and then went down like $16,000. It didn't go to $8,000 right away. So, do you think Litecoin? Something about Litecoin. Oh man, I'm so far behind. Being listed on Robinhood is a big plus. I think so. Yeah, I think so. Guys, I'm done. I am done for now. I'm sorry. These live streams are enjoyable but sometimes not enjoyable. They're just really tiring. So, called you Moon Boy because you took shots at Shibu. Okay. Views on Ethereum 10 to 15K. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Follow me on Twitter. Thank you, Eggsy. Follow me on Twitter. Don't know enough about Cody. WW Bitcoin on Twitter. All right, if you really want your question answered, hop on over to Twitter, WW Bitcoin, and ask me a question there. Ask me a question on Twitter. And what else? Oh, for those of you on TikTok, I've been very accurate over the last 3 months. Follow me on TikTok. Thank you, Pilot Colvin. Follow me on TikTok. Or yeah, just do it. Do it now. I want to see someone follow me. Thank you, Jay Rhett. I'm not leaving until someone follows me. There we go. Thank you, Andrea. Thank you, David. Asha. Speak the truth, man. I will. Thank you. Okay. Dustin, Honey Supply, Vikram. Thank you for following me. Stay forever. That's funny. Trump Rules 67. Funny name. I'm the man, according to Trump Rules 67. Thank you, Chicken Blitz. Okay. I'm hopping off. Sorry for those of you on YouTube who I didn't answer your questions. And sorry for those of you on TikTok who I didn't answer your questions, but I appreciate your time.